Autumn is a time of change, a season that beckons us to slow down, reflect, and prepare for the cooler months. While some of us enjoy the pumpkin spice lattes and cozy sweaters, many are looking for ways to really stretch every dollar. If you're up for some truly intense and effective savings, buckle up. Here are some extreme frugal living tips tailored just for autumn. Tip 1. Forage for your food. Take advantage of nature's bounty. Many areas offer edible wild plants and mushrooms. With a little research and perhaps a local guide, you can gather a portion of your meals directly from nature. Tip 2. DIY leaf mulch. Instead of buying mulch for your garden, collect fallen leaves, shred them, and use them as mulch. It's not only free but also rich in nutrients and great for your soil. Tip 3. Sweater layering. Instead of cranking up the heat, layer up with sweaters. You'd be surprised how much warmth multiple layers can provide, keeping those energy bills at bay. Tip 4. Candlelit evenings. Reduce electricity costs by spending evenings under candlelight. Use leftover wax from old candles to create new ones or scout for candles at thrift shop. Tip 5. Preserve autumn produce. Buy fruits and veggies in bulk when they're in season and on sale. Learn preservation techniques like canning, drying, or fermenting to enjoy these foods throughout the colder months. Tip 6. Potluck gatherings. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. If hosting an event, make it a potluck. Not only does this reduce the cost for everyone, but it also offers a diverse feast and fosters community spirit. Tip 7. Reuse rainwater. Set up barrels or containers to collect rainwater. Use this for watering plants, cleaning, or even flushing toilets. It's an old-fashioned approach that still holds significant value. Tip 8. Barter and trade. Ditch cash transactions when possible. Offer skills or items you possess in exchange for something you need. It's a community-centric approach that can be both fun and economical. Tip 9. Hand wash your clothes. Consider washing smaller loads by hand, particularly delicate items. It'll prolong the life of your garments and save on both water and electricity. Tip 10. DIY autumn crafts. Need decorations? Turn to nature. Use fallen leaves, acorns, and pine cones. Create wreaths, table centerpieces, and wall hangings without spending a dime. Tip 11. Homemade brews. Instead of expensive, store-bought drinks, make your own autumn brews. Think homemade apple cider, pumpkin spice teas, or even your own roasted coffee blends. Tip 12. Solar cooking. On sunny autumn days, experiment with solar ovens made from cardboard boxes and aluminum foil. It's an adventurous way to prepare meals without using conventional energy sources. Tip 13. Thrifted wardrobe overhaul. If you need to update your wardrobe for the colder months, hit the thrift stores first. You can find high-quality items at a fraction of their original price. Tip 14. Harvest swap. Engage with neighbors or community members to set up a harvest swap. Trade surplus items from your garden for something different from theirs. Tip 15. Dumpster dive with caution. It might sound extreme, but many stores throw away items that are still perfectly good. With a little bit of caution and a discerning eye, you could salvage food and other goods that have been wastefully discarded. Extreme frugality in autumn is more than just penny pinching. It's a lifestyle that teaches resourcefulness, gratitude, and sustainability. While not every tip will resonate with everyone, even adopting a few can lead to substantial savings and a deeper appreciation for the season. So, challenge yourself this autumn and discover the joy in frugal living.